we are going to explain about how to import image and how to do engraving on particular image on workpiece. The workpiece may be steel or aluminum. First case, we go to import models or import image from places. I open that Mastercam. First step, we go to raster to vector. Here so many images are available. Which image you want, you can click it, then open. Then it is asking that linear or filter colors. Just by default value I make it OK, and it is asking the resolution, then just I made it OK. Now it is processing contour. Now again I have to set it smooth all and then put OK. Would you really like to exit? Yes. Now I got that image. Since the image is very less thickness and lines, so that just I will make scaling that particular image for doing engraving, because I am going to use 0.2 mm tool, engraving tool. So these corners and that place may be very less. See, in this case it will not enter. So just I made it scaling. Go to transform. Here scale is available. You go to select particular image, end selections. Then this scale is originally 1.0. I make it 1.5. Just enlarge. Click it. Then make it move. Go to 1.5 times. OK. Now the butterfly of that image is enlarged by 1.5 times. Then go to wireframe. I will make it on a rectangular. Here I am make it little bit big because I will write some more letters on that one. So I put it like this. Then OK. For reference purpose, I will move butterfly of image as well as rectangular. Go to transform, move to origin. Now it is shifted to origin for reference purpose only. Then go to machine, mill, take it default value, make it toolbar visible, go to stock, make it 2 points, here 2, here. Then you can make it imaginary thickness is 5 mm or 10 mm as you like, for verification and simulation purposes. Now we created image. Then next step, go to solids, extrude, make it chain. The plate thickness is 5 mm as we already described it. Now we will engrave this one. Additionally, I will write some letters for showing purpose only. Go into wireframe, make it letters, make it anything you can write it, just I put it Happy New Year. (2025). Then I made it little bit bigger. Then I will make font changes to European ports. I will make it 3. It is I make it Happy New Year 2005. Then I will make it in center for showing purpose only, means we can write anything, image as well as letters or numbers. Okay, then go to toolbar. Here we have to click it, go to engraving by selecting Windows, make it default top view. Then sketch approximate start point. You can give anyone as a start point here. Okay, now the tool parameters will be coming. There are 3 parameters available: tool, path, engraving parameters and roughing finishing. First we have to create tool. This is engraving tool. I already explained that these are the specification or nomenclature of one type of engraving tool. The outer diameter 6, overall length 50, cutting length 10 mm, that angle of that engraving tool 15, tip diameter 0.2, the shoulder length 50 and shank diameter 6. Finish it. Here we can go for 500 mm per minute, and here we can go for 6000 rpm. That engraving tool should run 6000 to 7000. I just made it 6000. That first parameters are over. Then go to engraving parameters. Let clearance height, use clearance height, just make it 20. Retract after completion of tool, it will come back, retract 10 mm. The feed plane, the cutting action will take 2 mm above. There is no top of stack 0, and for showing purpose I am putting 0.2 mm. Here there is no stock value, I don't want to give any stock. XY stock to leave is 0. Then here depth of cuts, I want to make it 4 times. These engraving parameters are over. You make it everything absolute, it will be easy for you. Then third one is roughing finishing parameters. Roughing as well as finishing we have to do it. Then I am taking clean corners or parallel spiral. I take it parallel spiral. It will go to left to right or right to left. Here step over is 30%. Then go to cut geometry at depth. Now I will click it. Okay. Then go to back plot. Now it is creating toolbar and particular image of butterfly, as well as I wrote Happy New Year 2025 letters also. Then next action is verify selected path. If you want to remove holder or don't want to show holder, I make it holder, then make it here. See, engraving is done on that particular image. Now you are giving some doubts that in this image some portions are not taken. See, the cutter is going up to this level, and the cutter it will not reach particular area, means this area is less than 0.2 mm, so that the cutter, the engraving diameter is 0.2, it will not enter. If you want to enter, we can take some 0.1 mm tool, we can change it if it is available. See some of the portions, here every portions are covered, but in this particular portion it is not covered, this area is not covered, means the cutter cannot go inside because this width is less than 0.2 of your engraving tool, so it will not enter. So in this case, if you are having tool, you can go and edit particular tool. If you are having this one, then 0.1 mm, finish it, then you have to regenerate path. It will take time because it will regenerate the toolbar position. Now you are getting some new actions. Go to verify. Go to this. Now I will increase the speed, otherwise it will take some time. Now the engraving tool enters almost all portion of your images. See these images, it will cover all areas, and it will also done it engraving on this one. Then go to simulation. I will increase the speed. Now this you don't holder, we will remove it. See, now it is covered almost all portion, and it is also done on that particular letters also. Now it will do in numbering also. Now it is completed. We have to close it, fit to screen. You can save for your reference purpose. butterfly. I made it. Save it. So in this engraving you can import any image, and also you can do engraving on any particular letters or numbers. Small changes for verification purpose. In this case you got to go select all line entities, then go to this invert selection, then go to hide selections, then again we will go for verify. I think now it is more visible how it is written on particular letters and numbers. Just I hide the letters and numbers. Now I will increase the speed. See, now it is more visible to you. Also for simulation purpose also make it fit. Increase to fast because already we have seen it. For more visible purpose only I hide the letters and numbers.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. And if you have any doubt, kindly let me know in comment section.